Quora Programming Challenge where you can win lakhs of prizes and also free t-shirts. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. Quora Programming Challenge is going to organize on February 6, 2021 and February 7, 2021. It is divided into two divisions. Let us know in details about this programming challenge. So here, firstly, you can see about the challenge. Quora is organizing annually this type of programming challenge, and this time it is divided into two divisions. Division 1 can participate in this event on Feb 6 and Division 2 is going to participate on Feb 7. Divisions are basically time slots and nothing other things, and also you can participate in both the divisions, not only single, you can participate in both these if you have a time. And the timing of this event is from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. in Indian time. You can add plus 5:30 in both of these, means in India it is going to organize from 7:30 to 11:30 p.m. and the prizes of this event is very exciting. If you achieved the first prize, then you got $2,000. So this is the prize list you can see, and also top 50 places students or rankers get Quora t-shirt also. Now let's see the eligibility criteria and rules. So here is the rules. You can participate in both the divisions. In this competition there is total 6 problems to solve, and if you answered all correct answers then you got total 100 marks, because it is total of 100 marks. And if there is any tie in the marks, then the result is decided on the basis of time stamps. Those who take more time get lower position if they have equal marks. And after that, this is the registration form. It needs very few details. You can easily apply for this by giving some of the details. Only 5 details are required: your current location, city, school, college, graduation year, your LinkedIn profile, and at the last there is an option of resume. And after that, just tap on register and you got registered for this event. You can see here I got registered. You all must participate in this event because this is a global event and there is very exciting prizes also. So please share this video with your friends so they also can participate in this event. The registration link in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and also like my video.